G'day everyone. We've been shopping, and it was only to our local supermarket, Aldi, and I found this out on their special buys. Not so sure it was a special buy, it was $30, near enough. So not cheap, but this is Little Acre. Now Little Acre I've bought lots of spawn from, the grain spawn, and it's gone really, really well. So I thought, let's see how easy this is. Let's see if it's productive. And because it's lion's mane, not curmudgeon mane, it's one we haven't actually grown before. If you check back, I tried to grow them in summer, and Perth summers are hot, dry, and really not mushroom weather, so it failed dismally. They all got infected and had to chuck the whole lot out. But anyway, big in kit form, neat and tidy, it's going to grow up there. So it'll be in the background of a few films, I think. So anyway, let's have a look. What do we need to do? We open the box. Yeah, okay, makes sense. Find your detailed instruction cards and spray bottle. Keep your kit between 10 and 24 degrees. And that's why I'm growing it up there. It's autumn, but we're still getting a few hot days, and I haven't started growing mushrooms properly outside yet because of that temperature. Mist the cut area regularly, which will be on the instructions on how to do that, to create a humid environment. Kit will fruit in 10 to 21 days, and then we harvest them. And should it grow again? After your first harvest, turn the block around to the other side for another crop, so we get one out of each side. All right, let's open it up and see what's in here. Nice compostable cardboard. Right, look at it. It's not shiny, so it should be good. I found our spray bottle. Now, with this, we are going to use boiled water that's cooled because we don't want the chlorine in it. What I will do is I'll look up how much they are to buy direct from Little Acre, and I'll do a price comparison. I don't think they're going to be that much difference, maybe a few dollars. Remove the recipe card panel from the back of the box with a clean knife, with a small X. Okay, let's get a knife. I am going to take out the block. Oh, it's perforated, so we don't have to worry too much about that. Maybe. We will use a knife. It is perforated, but not overly perforated. So there we go. We've got a nice little recipe here for lion's mane street tacos. Not sure we'll do that. And taste them just on their own. So let's just check the instructions again. We've cut the hole. How big do an X do we do? Cut a small X in the center. So there we are. We're just going to go. Oops. Try not to get the stuff coming out. There we go. That's all. Make sure it's all opened up. There we go. So we've got a small X, probably 25 millimeters ish on each arm. So it's about 75 across. So each arm's about 75 millimeters. We're going to pop that back in like so, with the X facing the window. Seal them all back up. And there we have it. Here's our little X, which we can spray, which we shall now do, and pop him up on the windowsill. So there we are. Some nice dechlorinated water. Pump it out. Give it a good spray. Might even open up a little bit, give it a spray inside. So I'm just going to open this up. Only this time I'm doing that. Give it a spray directly on it. Just a little bit, just to get some extra moisture in there. And then when we walk past it, we shall give it another twist. Can't see what I'm doing, so it could be going anywhere there. Right, let's pop it up on the shelf and leave it for a while. 10 to 21 days, it said, didn't it? Just out of interest, these guys are in Brisbane. But as I said, I have used their grain spawn, and it's worked beautifully. Let's find a posse for him. There we are. Right there. next to my mother of herbs cutting I'm trying to grow. Interesting sort of thing. It's a replacement for mixed herbs. And I've just bought a plant off daily, so you'll see me planting that in another video. Well, what do you think? Looks interesting, doesn't it? It's a bit of a pricey way to do things, but it'll let us know whether we like lion's mane or not. You tried these kits? If you have, let me know how they went in the comments. As I said, Little Acre, good bunch. Enjoy life. Catch you in the mushroom farm.